I'm here on BART going to the end of the line on Fremont, where we'll be taking the Altamont Corridor Express to Stockton and back via the San Joaquin. The only feasible routing possible. Fremont, while a Capital Corridor station, does not have any convenient connections and indeed is not listed in the guide therein, but appropriately is listed with a possible connection on the San Joaquin. By the way, the ticket on BART will exactly use up your discounted senior pass if you went to and from the airport. Here in Fremont, if you want to take the bus connecting the BART to the Amtrak Altamont Corridor service, you take the 801. And there is the route of the Altamont Corridor train. Here's a listing of Capital Corridor service here at the Fremont station. It's unmanned in terms of Amtrak, has only a quick track machine, but there is a guide 20 minutes available and a little office right over there in case of the ACE, running eastbound afternoons, westbounds in the morning. Well, here at Fremont at the Centerville Old Western Pacific, Southern Pacific station, for the Capital Corridor line, we'll be taking the Altamont Corridor service using a free pass for any first 3-time trips, and you find it on their website, the acerail.com. Look for Test Ride. With a surprising number of people taking the Altamont Corridor service, here she comes now. I'm taking it from Fremont instead of from San Jose, which is a half hour more, and with 2 Santa Clara stops in between, because the tracks are identical. From Fremont, it'll be the route of the old Western Pacific, Southern Pacific. Continue along the Altamont Corridor service, you'll notice the Western Pacific and Southern Pacific tracks are side by side. Now the Union Pacific. As we're coming to the final stop of the Altamont Corridor service. We're coming to Stockton. Not to be confused with the Amtrak station. We're coming to the ACE station. Taking the Amtrak bus from the ACE station to the Amtrak station here in Stockton. The Stockton Amtrak station, as distinguished from Stockton's ACE station, is an old Santa Fe station. Here comes the southbound San Joaquin to Bakersfield. We'll be taking the one going north to Emeryville. Notice, if you will, the push-pull nature of these trains, where they're in push mode, and they're off. Well, the nice thing about the San Joaquin is the Amtrak bar car. As we drift slowly into the sunset, literally on the last leg of our three-leg journey on the San Joaquin, it is nice to know that it's probably the luxurious of the three, and a nice cold drink to drop it off. So on today's trip, we went from San Francisco to Fremont via BART. Went over to the Fremont station. Bus 99 would have been a better choice. Went up the Altamont Corridor to Stockton. And again, the bus with the thruway connection to the other station, Amtrak, is recommended. And we come back on the San Joaquin. Let's take the bus from Emeryville. Nice, quick connection to downtown.
less than $1 more.
Just as we come into Emeryville, the Starlight arrives going north. Crossing the older part of the Bay Bridge, and we're using the advantage of the two-way service with Amtrak. By the way, it costs less than $1 extra to add it to your ticket, saving you the BART connection. We'll be going over to the ferry, probably the best stop. It's right there.